Hi, I'm Rahul Mathur. I am representing Spiker for the state of Andhra Pradesh. The Spiker as a brand is basically a casual wear brand. It is one of the best brands available right now in the country, catering primarily to youth. The brand has won a lot of accolades in terms of the fashion designing and things like that. It is one of the most happening brands in town and in the country as well. I mean, we compete with all the top brands in the country. This brand has started in the year 1992. Over the period of years, I mean, the brand has grown very, very well, primarily because of its brand positioning, because of the kind of designing and everything. Today, Spiker has got over 400 exclusive stores pan India. Apart that, it has also started a brand called Oyo. This brand basically is catering to kids wear, and it is catering to a very niche kids wear segment. It's slightly upmarket priced. Now, as far as Spiker goes, Spiker, we have got 9 stores in the state of AP right now. And Hyderabad has got 6 stores altogether, and one of the major stores being at Himayat Nagar and Road Number 2, Banjara Hills, City Center. We've got Vikrampuri, we've got Kukatpalli, we've got Sanali Mall, we've got all these stores. We've got a store in Vizag. We are just coming up in CMR Mall in Vizag. Apart from this, we are also positioned in all the lifestyle stores like Lifestyle, Shoppers, in Orbit, Globus, and all these stores. We've got a wide range of product starting from denims to shirts, to t-shirts, to accessories. Accessories, I mean, we've got a huge range of accessories to begin with. The accessories range starts from socks, belts, caps, skull caps, junk jewelry, dog tags, wallets, towels, college bags, laptop bags, a whole lot of range, wristbands and everything. Now, if you get into the garment section, I mean, we've got 2 varieties of 2 segments. I mean, one is men's wear and one is the ladies' wear. Both the ranges, I mean, we've got a terrific range of fashion merchandise, as the brand is known for being a fashion brand, and it has also won in the past 3 consecutive awards for being the best fashion brand in the country. And in the fashion bottoms for men's, I mean, we've got various kind of fits. We've got slim fits, we've got the regular fits, we've got low rise, we've got the regular fits as well. But most of the product what we sell is basically fashion. We're purely into fashion.